In today's video, I will teach you how to create a family tree using PicMonkey. Let's get started. To create a custom family tree using PicMonkey, first you have to go to PicMonkey's homepage. And here, you can either start from a blank canvas or use one of PicMonkey's family tree templates. To start from a blank canvas, press the Edit New Image option to open the Canvas Presets library. Here, you have different canvas presets for every social media post and print. And you can also customize your own canvas size by simply typing in your desired width and height at the upper right corner of the panel. Now, simply click the Make It button to open your blank canvas in the editor. Now, to start with the template, go back to the home page and click the Edit New Image option and select Templates. This will redirect you to PicMonkey's editor with the Templates tab open. Here, you can choose from thousands of free and completely customizable templates from PicMonkey's template library. To find a specific template, you can simply type in the keyword family tree on the search bar to find the perfect template for your design. Once you've decided which template to use, you can now customize it. To replace the image from the template, you can simply select the image first, and you can hit the Delete key on your keyboard, then go to the sidebar, and open the Photos and Videos tab. Here, you can either choose from PicMonkey's wide variety of free and premium stock images, or you can upload your own file. To upload your photo into PicMonkey, simply press the Add Photo or Video button and select the source of your file. Once the file is uploaded, simply click the image or drag and drop it onto the canvas. Now, you can move the image around, resize it, rotate it, or crop it. To move the image around, simply drag the image around the canvas. To resize it, you can simply drag on the size handles at the corner of the image. To rotate the image, simply click and drag on the top handle, and you can hold down Shift while dragging on the handle to rotate the image in exact angles. And to crop it, you can right-click on the image and select Crop Image. Now just click and drag on the horizontal and vertical handles to freely crop the image. Once you're done cropping, you can simply click outside the image. Now to edit the text, simply click on the existing text layer on the canvas and all the text editing tools will appear at the sidebar. To change the text, simply double-click the text and you can now freely type whatever you like on the text layer. And once you're satisfied, you can either download the image directly to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.